Today is July 1st. It's Canada Day. Right now we are heading to United States, and this time we are traveling with Buddy. Buddy, he's sleeping right now. And if the border is not congested, we should be arrive at our destination, North Cascades National Park,
in 2.5 hours.
So I hope this journey goes smoothly and we don't have to wait at the border for too long time. Yeah, we'll see. We still ended up waiting for crossing the border for about an hour. It's not too bad, not too bad. And the border officer was very nice and even can speak Chinese. And this guy, Buddy, kept barking at him, so he quickly let us pass.
We stopped by Avenue Break to grab some sandwiches. It's very cute here, and they have freshly baked goods every day. We have now entered the North Cascades National Park and plan to have a lunch by the Diablo Lake.
Buddy's having lunch now. Buddy! Buddy's second course. Da da da. Da. After a quick lunch, we are now heading to hike the Thunder Knob Trail. It's a 6-kilometer out and back trail with a 206-meter elevation gain. The trail leads to the Diablo Lake lookout point, and we have heard the view from the top is truly breathtaking. So, let's go find out. A lot of people camping here. Hi! We are now hiking Thunder Knob Trail. Thunder Knob Trail is a 5-6K distance trail, so it's the second most popular trail in North Cascades. Yeah, we encountered so many people, so it's really hard to film a video. Maybe this one is the most popular one. Originally, we think about go to Maple Pass Trail, which is 10K trail, but we just afraid this guy might be refuse to go. This guy, Buddy, go. Yeah, so that's why we choose this one. It's easier and like half distance. Buddy, keep it up. Buddy, go, go. You can do it. This national park is about 2 hours drive from Seattle and 3 hours drive from Vancouver. So many people will choose stay here for one night. So there are so many camping sites around. So beautiful. Oh. Yeah. In addition, dogs are welcome to come to this trail, but must be on a leash. It's a Diablo Lake down there. Buddy stopped many times when going up, but it's totally fine for him to going downhill because he knows it's a way go back to the car. What a smart guy! Heading back to the car. Our buddy done his first hike in United States. This is Diablo Lake, Vista Point. Alright. Look at this view of blue water. You can see the turquoise color of the water. It's amazing. We just hiked Southern Trail, so you can see the lake from the very top.
If you don't want to go hiking, you can come directly here to Diablo Lake Vista Point. Can still enjoy such a beautiful view.
Buddy. Buddy. Right now we are hiking another trail called Rose Lake Trail. Hope Buddy still can walk. Buddy, let's go, Buddy. Buddy, I know you are capable. Keep it up. So we end up only going to the first one because Buddy refused to go further. Yeah, the first one is a little waterfall, but I really want to see the second one, the rose dam. Maybe next time. Papa. So beautiful.
Gorge Creek Falls is located on the north side of the bridge. Since this river is glacier fed, it has a brilliant dragon color.
So scary.
We are walking on a metal gate suspended high above the river. You can look right down between your toes into the gorge below. Alright, we will then leave the national park and head to downtown Seattle. That's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye!
Room tour. Ah, Buddy! It's pet-friendly hotel. So cute. Pool bag and dog treats. And also the waterfall. Also the cute dogs here. Wow, Buddy, settle in.